sit at the time.
Morning, you guys. I've come to the realization that I'm a bit of a procrastinator, you guys. And I've just kind of like gotten into the habit of just doing a lot of things last minute. I work really well under pressure, and so I'm like, I can get it done, blah, 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 just bang it out. But there's really no reason. There's really no reason for me to be doing that now with all this extra time on my hands. So I have a deadline on Friday, and I'm really going to make a very good effort at like completing that assignment today, just so I don't have to worry about it on Friday. Yeah, so that's it. Yesterday was hot as hell, you guys. Yesterday I actually went to Home Depot to go get, what did I get? I needed like an extension cord and the black tape, electric tape, yeah. And I went there, and I was literally outside, maybe in the line for 10 minutes. And when I tell you, when I came home, like even last night, like I had to put aloe on my skin. My shoulders are burning me. That sun was so intense, you guys. Mad intense. Like, I thought I was gonna have a rash this morning, but I don't. But my arms were on fire all of yesterday. So I need to invest in some sunscreen, because I don't generally use it unless I'm like on the beach or something like that. But clearly I need it, because this sun is different. This sun is different. I was telling my boyfriend, so he's like, how would you manage living in Jamaica? I don't think the Jamaica sun is like this. Like, Jamaica doesn't do this to me. Like, the sun here, when it's hot, when it's different. Yeah, I heard. I don't know if the UV rays are stronger. I don't know what it is, but the sun in the States, to me, is way different and definitely more harmful, I think. What do you guys think? Do you guys find that you're more affected by the sun here when it's hot versus Jamaica? I feel like I am. I'm actually on time today, you guys, which doesn't happen very frequently. But yeah, it's 9:03 a.m. and I'm already on the highway, so that is a win for me.
Lower back up and second and lower back. Huh? The lower back is second and keep it up. Yeah, keep it doing. That's
This a bad man moves on love. You play with your nipple and you play with
straight
your
to it.
When you whine like that, why? When you whine like that, you make things good. The people go on. When you whine like that, why you be big and that?
Bring that lower back up. Control your body. Yeah, we gotta get you used to push-ups again. Good job. 7 seconds left. Go. Ten seconds left.
body macho. Oh my God, my legs feel like jello. I'm gonna want to sleep after this, but I have work to do for real today. I gotta finish something up. I worked out for 57 minutes, 57 and a half minutes, about an hour. What's really good about my trainer is that he normally, like, if it were up to him, even though I only pay him for 1 hour sessions, like if it were up to him, he would have me out there for 2 hours, assuming he doesn't have another client lined up immediately after me. Like, he's really good. He doesn't watch the clock. Oh, God. And he's always pushing me to go longer. Couldn't do that today, though, because I have this call at 9:45, so. Oh, my God. Yeah, I got to shower. I'm sticky. I'm hot. I got to shower. What time is it? 9:27? So I have about 15 minutes. Woo, child. Look how shiny I am. Ah. When I get sweaty like this, I get so itchy. So itchy. I'm gonna have some aloe vera juice when I get in. Just a little boost. Good morning. It is day 2 at my personal training. I just got to the park. My trainer is parking up there. Yeah. And I'm trying to stuff this orange before he gets here. I'm so sore, you guys. I need to do a better job of stretching because I think that's part of the reason why I'm usually so jacked up after a session. I think he was definitely a little bit harsh on me the other day when he ran into me. But what he's saying is true. I look very different from when I was training. Hey, Keith.
It's good. Oh, you want to
Where are you going with that big ass thing?
It's light.
That's bigger than yesterday.
It's lighter than yesterday's.
Is it?
This is 30 pounds. The other one was like. Both hands. Both hands. Good job, good job. Pick those legs up. Come on, come on, come on. Sprint right back. Top speed, top speed.
I'm about to beat my trainer, guys. You ready? Go!
One more. Good job.
Okay.
Good job. Good job. Come on. That's what I'm talking about. throw. Just throw. Come on. Good job. Two more. Two more. Let's see if you can do 15. You got this. Come on. One more. Good job. Go. Straight back to it. Come on, come back down, come back down.
These sneakers are dangerous.
Oh, you're on the turns, right?
Oh my God, you guys, look at it. My freaking flowers are blooming. Now these are the little like shrubs that I mentioned that I had planted. So it's really, really cool to see them like grow up like this and to actually have flowers on them. This one is going to be a little flower heavy. You see that? It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that. There's a fucking worm on it. Yeah, guys, it has like pests on it. I bought like a pesticide that should be coming in the mail soon. Look at the damn worm. That's what's been eating the leaves. See that? The holes in the leaves right there? Look at that. The damn flowers is not even open properly. And they're like, oh no, what the freak, man? Oh, I don't know that I can wait for my thing to come. But what I'm really excited about, you guys, is this one over here. Look, you guys, the orange one. I have an orange rose, but this one is definitely being eaten as well, because look at the leaf right there. I can't wait. Look at that. But how cool is that? I have an orange rose. I'm so excited. And there's another bud right there. So this one's gonna have 2. But yeah, the freaking insects or pests or whatever the heck. I saw a bunch of them on this one yesterday. And I was like trying to kill them. Aphids or something like that they're called. But that's my first time seeing a worm on this one, which you're gonna die because I'm coming back to kill you, okay? Hell no. Oh, no. Let me go find a natural remedy inside or something. I did something online last night, but I could not wait because that crap is not coming until like the 19th. I couldn't wait, so I went to like a local greenhouse or whatever, flower shop, I don't know what it's called. And I got this thing right here, 8 insect control, garden and home. I doused all of my flowers in them. There were worms on that one right there. And the, what did they call them? Aphids? Not worms, but like these green colored things that were like eating the damn stems of the roses, like the new ones. So I doused them all with this thing. And yeah, so I think, which it says they die on contact. Oh, that was maybe like an hour ago. Oh yeah, you can tell the worm is still, let me see if you guys can see, the worm is still in that one right there, but you can tell he's dead. Bye bye, worm. Yeah, so hopefully I won't see any more holes in my leaves and my flowers can prosper. My thing can prosper. I don't know all them things are so wicked. Man, this thing literally opened overnight, you guys. Like yesterday it was completely closed. That's so weird, man. Look at God. But you see the leaf right there, how it looks like freaking lace?
like a lace pattern. That's what these damn things do. Like, you must be clear out your mind if you think that I'm gonna do all this work for you to come and just tear my whole thing up. Like, that's nuts. Oh, Jesus. Anyway, yeah, I feel better now. I feel better. I was hot this morning, okay? Hot. Sprayed this guy right here because even though I didn't see any on them, I sprayed it just to be sure. No pests around here. Yeah.